Welcome back to the Weller video training series. Today we're going to talk about a cooler port changeover on the 3 and 4000 series transmission. There's 3 different types of plates that you would see on the back of the control module. There's a new style, an old style, and a manifold for rear cooler ports. The required tools for this job are a 15mm socket, an impact wrench, torque wrench, and a ball peen hammer. Today Brandon Hopkins is going to show us how to change this plate into a manifold. First thing you want to do is remove the 6 bolts and remove the cooler plate and gasket. It's important to make sure that all the gasket is scraped off the case and the cooler plate that you're going to be putting back on. The difference in the 2 cooler manifold plates are the old style has a recessed bolt area. This requires a shorter bolt. The bolt length for the manifold and the new style cooler plate are the same. Apply the gasket to the new cooler plate and the manifold that you're going to be putting on. Start all bolts by hand. It's important to make sure that your impact wrench is set on the lowest setting as to not strip any threads in the main case. Once you've tightened down all the bolts with the impact on the lowest setting, make sure to torque all the bolts to 45 foot-pounds with a torque wrench. Just go in a crisscross pattern. There's no real torque sequence to putting the cooler manifold on. Once you've torqued all the bolts to spec, you'll want to take the shipping plugs from the front and move them to the back. When changing to rear cooler ports, you want to make sure to plug the front cooler ports with steel plugs and O-rings, which we can supply. If you have any questions on this procedure or anything else Allison transmission related, you can go to our website, wellertruck.com, or you can call 800-872-6697. You can also check out our new mobile app, which has tons of resources on it for all makes, models of transmissions, differentials, steering gears, and much more.